Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
Fresh off scoring his maiden test half-century in the 133-run second test defeat to Australia, Jamaican batsman Brandon King believes steady contributions from all players across all departments can make the world of difference in their third and final test against Australia at Sabina Park.
Yeah, I think there's a little bit, of consistency throughout the test match. Obviously, if you look at the last two games, we've been competing with them up to a certain point. And then, kind of, fall away a little bit. But that's, the reality is we're playing against the #1 team in the world. So for us to win or to be, to challenge for a win, we need to be consistent in all aspects of the game right through till the end. So we're just looking to improve on those little 1%ers to see if we can carry it through this time.
Remains hungry for more runs on Jamaican soil.
Yeah, obviously it's a great feeling, to play at home. I've played a few white ball games at home before and it felt incredible. So, this being the first, I think, day-night test match in Sabina, it's going to be great. I'm looking forward to it. In terms of carrying from the last game, I just want to have, consistency of approach. The formula that I used to go out there and approach my batting in the last game, I just want to come in this game and do the same and see what happens.
The third and final test between West Indies and Australia will be played at Sabina Park from July 12 to 16. The Windies trailed the three-match test series 2-0. Paris Olympic finalists Tia Clayton and Kira McLeod headline Jamaica's 47-member team to the NACAC Senior Track and Field Championships set for August 15 to 17 in the Bahamas. Clayton is among several athletes who will be using the meet as part of a final push to make Jamaica's team for the Tokyo Championships in September. The 21-year-old will be hoping to secure the gold medal in the women's 100 meters at the meet to qualify for Tokyo as a NACAC regional champion, whilst others will be hoping to secure World Championship qualifying standards. Among those who will be hoping to secure the World Championship qualifying standard in their event is national 400-meter champion Rashid McDonald, who is a part of the 26-member men's team. McDonald is yet to secure the automatic qualification time of 44.85 seconds for the event. The 33-year-old won the national championships in a time of 44.89. Two other champions, Ashanti Moore in the women's 200 meters and Samantha Hall in the women's discus, will also be seeking the World Championship qualifying standard of 22.57 seconds and 64.50 meters respectively in their event. Christopher Taylor, who recently returned from a suspension and who placed second in the 200 meters at the national trials, will be chasing the 20.16 qualification time as he's listed for the half-lap event. In the field, the Paris Olympic silver medalist Shanika Ricketts is listed for the women's triple jump, while national champion Jordan Scott is down to contest the men's equivalent. Another national champion, Karen McLeod, is listed for the men's long jump, along with Sean D. Thompson. 2019 World Championship silver medalist Frederick Dacus is listed for the men's discus, along with Chad Wright. After falling short at 38.46 seconds at the inaugural Barbados Grand Prix over the weekend, the men's sprint relay team will have another chance to get into the top 16 in the world ahead of Tokyo, with Taylor, Rowan Watson, Raheem Ford, Adrian Carr, Boajian Krume, and Kedron Golson making up the squad. Tia Clayton, Jodine Williams, Moore, Janelle Smith, and Gabrielle Matthews have been listed for the women's sprint relay squad. The women's 4x400 meter pool includes Nikisha Price, Dejanay Oakley, Stacey Ann Williams, Leah Anderson, Shakina Foote, and Renisha McGregor, while the men's mile relay squad includes McDonald, Zandrian Barnes, Shamar Utah, Delana Kennedy, DeAndre Watkin, and Bavelle McPherson. And finally, the Jamaica senior men's ice hockey team will continue its defense of the Challenger Series tournament in Montreal, Canada versus Greece on Thursday. The team has to win all three matches in Montreal to retain the trophy, having got off to a bad start in Chicago in May, losing all three games it played there. Jamaica won the tournament last year, beating Lebanon in the final played in Toronto, after wins in Chicago and New York had earlier given the team the advantage going into the final. This tournament was played for the first time last year and involved the three teams, Puerto Rico, Lebanon, and Jamaica. The game is set to start at 3:30 p.m. Jamaica time. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
Thank you, Christopher, and that's the Midday News Package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.